and on we'll
Indian automobile market has no other bike within the same engine segment, while it is sometimes compared with the entry-level 150 cubic centimeters commuter bikes. Due to its power values, Bajaj have also added an O-ring chain plus half chain covers, which requires less maintenance and is better able to resist dust and moisture. The speed lines found on the sibling models released by Bajaj also appear on the 135 LS. The fuel tank's design closely mirrors that shown on the concept model of the XCD Sprint, as do the bike's newly designed air scoops and alloy wheels, finished in black matte coating. The headlamp, LED tail light, split seat, grab rails, high stance rear and mudguard have all been refined and updated to give the bike an athletic, speedy look that will appeal to young drivers, and its lack of bulk also helps. The Pulsar 135 LS also boasts of a stylishly designed front headlamp with twin pilot lamps. At the heart of the Pulsar 135 is an engineering marvel, the world's first 4-valve DTS-i engine, which provides greater power and can be revved to much higher RPMs. Without any engine strain, the bike boasts a power-to-weight ratio that is higher than some 150 cubic centimeters bikes, giving the Pulsar 135 LS the ability to go from 0 to 60 kmph in 5.1 seconds and a fuel efficiency that is comparable to 125 cubic centimeters bikes. This engine generated maximum power of 13.3 bhp at 9,000 rpm with maximum torque of 11.4 Nm at 7,500 rpm. It has been designed for better performance than Bajaj Pulsar 135 LS bike's instrument console has also been revamped and updated, and is now a digital display, which many drivers will welcome for the increased usability and visibility of the controls. It includes an odometer, fuel level monitor, neutral blinker, self-canceling indicators and a low battery meter. The Pulsar 135 is comfortable enough, as long as you don't plan to ride it for hours. The seat is a little too unyielding and uncomfortable for longer trips. However, the updated grab rail is undeniably more convenient, and some thought has gone into making the seat more ergonomically friendly. The bike tank offers nice grip to knees. One of the Pulsar's best features is its handling. It's undoubtedly one of the nimblest and most sporty bikes Bajaj has yet released. It corners very well, remaining stable at all times, and it feels light, able to pass through narrow spaces in tight traffic. The bike is powerful, slickly designed and comfortable to ride, with great fuel economy and some nice additional extras. The bike's excellent specs and strong performance mean that it represents excellent value for money, particularly due to its outstanding fuel economy, which will help to keep running costs low. This bike is a worthy addition to Bajaj's updated line, thanks to its high-performance engine and great looks.
Thank you for watching. Stay updated to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Always go with your passion. Enjoy your day.